Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone, I received a package from YesStyle. I want to say thank you to Vanessa for sending the After Party SOS Skincare Set. Let's start with the first item from the brand Estura. It's their Thera Acne 365 Clear Deep Cleansing Foam. It is a soothing cleanser suitable for acne-prone skin, gently removes skin impurities and sebum, clog in pores thoroughly while leaving skin moisturized. The next item is from the brand Dr. Different. It's the Vitalift A, Eye, and Neck. Utilizing the face-lifting power of retinol, this firming cream is an intensive nighttime wrinkle treatment for your eyes and neck. It's enriched with 11 kinds of peptides to improve skin elasticity for a more youthful and radiant look. Lightweight yet moisturizing, it improves dark circles under eye and dull, sagging skin. Start with a pea-sized amount as the last step of your evening skincare routine and gradually increase to a coin-sized amount after skin builds up tolerance. Next item is by the brand Haru Haru Wonder. It's their Centella 3% PHA Gentle Liquid Exfoliating Serum. It's formulated with PHA and 100,000 ppm of Cosmos certified orange water. This skin revitalizing serum gently sloughs off dead skin cells and impurities to reveal a clear, bright finish. The vegan formula also contains cica extract to soothe and strengthen sensitive skin as well as anti-sebum P to remove unwanted shine. Next item is by the brand Dear Claire's. It's their Midnight Blue Calming Cream. It is the best-selling Midnight Blue Calming Cream from now comes in a 60 ml limited edition tube that makes it even more handy to carry everywhere. This gentle blue-tinted cream contains chamomile that helps soothe dry, inflamed skin and promote cell regeneration and centella extract that heals irritations and blemishes. Next item is by the brand Rovectin. It's their Cica Care Sleeping Pack. It's formulated with the highly moisturizing ingredient Cica extract. This is sleeping pack repairs sensitive and damaged skin, leaving it supple and radiant the next day. Free of artificial fragrances, dyes, parabens, mineral oils, and steroids. The last but not the least is by the brand Secret Key. It's their Starting Treatment Essential Mask Sheet Rose Edition. This mask sheet transforms dull and rough skin into clear and smooth skin. Now let me show you how I normally use these items. First is the Estura Theracne Clear Deep Cleansing Foam. Dispense a moderate amount on palms and lather it up with a small amount of water. Spread all over the face and give a gentle massage. Then rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Next, I use the Haru Haru Wonder Centella 3% PHA Gentle Liquid Exfoliating Serum. I use this with a cotton pad. After cleansing and toning, just apply a layer of the serum evenly to your entire face, or in my case, I use it with a cotton pad. Use it 3 times a week for best results. Next, I normally use either the 3 of these items, the Rovectine, the Secret Key, and the Dear Claire's. But for this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Rovectine Cica Care Sleeping Pack. I take an appropriate amount of the mask and gently spread over the face from inner to outer part along the skin texture. Then I just go to sleep after the product is absorbed, and I wash it the next morning. The last but not the least is the Dr. Different Vitalift AI and Neck. Use as the last step of your PM skincare routine. Massage a pea-sized amount into the skin. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, as well as all the product links that I feature on this video. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried any of these products, and let me know your thoughts. And I'm also going to leave the discount code ChemsWorld888 for you to get a little discount. And until next time, bye!